designed for top-tier motorsports teams, but also suitable for regular workshops. This is a LABA7 Torque Measuring Device, or TMD for short. This is the latest addition to the LABA7 product lineup. This tool allows you to measure the torque of impact wrenches and manual wrenches, as well as the rotational speed of pneumatic and electric power tools. Before we dig deeper into the machine's functionalities, let's unbox it. Inside the box you will find the TMD unit itself, a power cable, a 5-meter communication cable, an air pressure sensor and a 1-inch load cell adapter. All of these items are included as a standard. If you require different adapters, we can manufacture them to your specification. Regardless the device weight, we recommend bolting it down to the workbench. This ensures stability and accuracy during the testing. LABA7 TMD features direct drive architecture. By keeping the path between the tool and the sensor as short as possible, we eliminate interference and ensure a technically precise reading. On the side, you will find 2 ADC channels. These are for input monitoring. After you place the TMD on the workbench, connect the unit to a standard power socket. Then connect the communication cable to the device and your computer. If your laptop does not support Ethernet connectivity, you can use USB dongle that is provided in the kit. Open the TMD software on your computer. In the new project menu, enter the tool's manufacturer, model and other important information. This creates a healthy record for your inventory. First, let's do the test of this impact wrench. We will do the test both clockwise and counterclockwise. At first glance, you might think that all you see are peaks of impact blows, but you need to zoom in to see the full picture. In the graph, you can clearly see 2 peaks, recoil and vibrations. The results are 1037 Nm for clockwise rotation and 865 Nm for counterclockwise. Notice that no 2 blows are identical. This is normal. It is caused by a voltage drainage, tool vibration, motor heat and other factors. Now let's test the RPMs of this tool. Rotational speed clockwise is 1511 RPMs and 534 RPMs counterclockwise. And this is how you test your wheel guns with LABA7 Torque Measuring Device.